There's a Bigfoot stepping in my face, and I will cover you green. I am the grass, someday I'll cover you green.
I'm standing here on the edge of the Great Rift Valley.
From space, it looks like a giant scar on the Earth's surface, running through the face of Africa. To some, it can remind you of the idea of Africa as a victim of forces beyond its control, like climate change. That is true in some ways, but it also ignores another reality. You see, here, the powerful movements of plate tectonics, they have brought magma to the surface and bestowed Kenya with the best clean and green energy in the world. And they've given us copious amounts of underground basalt, which we are now learning can help us store massive amounts of carbon dioxide underground. So perhaps there's another story here. Africa has a chance to be a hero in the story of the world's fight for carbon neutrality.
Hello, James! Can we play the ball?
My homeland is blessed with a generation of really ambitious, well-educated and capable young people.
I am telling you that you live in Kenya, you are lucky.
You know, you see them and they're out there, they're hungry for opportunities. They want ways to put their talents to good use. That's why we're doing this, DAC. Our young engineers, geologists and researchers need to lean into something new, into new pathways, into new areas of innovation and motivation. They can make use of this incredible energy here with us, from a process that has been going on for millions of years, and use it to create a completely new industry that doesn't exist anywhere else. And with that industry, jobs. Hundreds of thousands, maybe millions of jobs for a generation of young work seekers across the continent. The place with the greatest population in the world is likely the place that will be needed to solve the greatest problem of the world. Stories about Africa are often about the poverty and misery of the continent. But our children deserve to hear more inspirational stories. Besides the stories of foreign heroes like Spider-Man and Superman, our stories, the stories of how our continent became the green giant that helped the world win the fight against climate change. Africa as a hero.
Victims are heroes! Heroes! Victims are heroes! Heroes! Victims are heroes!
Eliud Kipchoge is one of Kenya's greatest heroes. He managed to run a marathon in under 2 hours, something that everyone said was impossible. We have a goal. Our goal is to reduce the cost of carbon sequestration to $100 per ton of carbon dioxide. It is something that sounds impossible, but we also believe that no human is limited. All we need to do is put on our shoes and start running.
孵出来的钢渣子，就是您说的用灰渣做的。为新参加的主办欢呼。